At this moment, all our steady contemplation is upon OET, in bhog and not in yoga. So turning your mind and your attention steadily, exclusively, without any distraction, at Brahman, the supreme pure state of consciousness, which is your lecture, your bullseye. Bahyendriyam, what about my other indriya sense organs? Of both perception and action. What am I to do with those 10 of them? Bahyendriya swasthane vinivesha. Let the eyes remain in the eyeball. When the power of audition, hearing, remain in the ears. Not running out. Meaning, the mind is not leaking out through the sense organs to the sense objects. So all the sense organs, as in deep sleep, they are there. But they don't see. The eye doesn't see more than the eye. The ears do not hear anything outside the ear, means all the hearing faculty is resting in the ears, not that it has gone to Kerala. And when you woke up, it came back. You can't say that, no, that today it is very slow. The sense faculties have not yet reached, even though I woke up. It never happens. It is already there. Just as what you have got in the fridge, he will be in the fridge the moment you wake up. In the night it is not there. But the moment you wake up, what has been left there is there. Unless one brahmachari have been roaming about, then certain things will be less in the fridge. This always. So that keep those faculties, the powers of perception and action in the very instrument. Not that you can't lift, not that you can't walk, but you don't walk. You don't lift, tell me. All the speech, you have got the ability to speak, but you are not speaking silent. Thus all sense organs of perception and action, restrain them in their own golayas, in their own equipments, in their own sense organs. The sense organs are not functioning, not running out into the world outside. Vinivesya. Nischala tanu. Keep the body without movement. What are you doing? Meditating? Meditating or making idli? No! Nischala tanu. The body is not moving even a millimeter in any direction. Chopeksha dehastitim. Thus come to a point where you have come to forget your own body. Don't say that it is very difficult. It is not. In the waking state, yes. But in deep sleep, every day, are you not forgetting the body? Children, you wake up 3 times during the winter to cover them with a blanket. Why? They move about and they don't feel the cold. Why? Dehasthiti gone. The child is not conscious of the body. It is the mother who is conscious of the child's body and says, no, oh, it will get cold, and you cover it again and again. Is it not? Dehasthitim, forgetting the dehasthiti, swasthana. Brahmatmaikyamupetya, learn to reach out. Brahman, that higher state of consciousness, the Atman, the self in you, is one and the same. Upetya, tanmayataya, tadumaya. You become one with it. Not that you are understanding it, that is only book knowledge. That come to awake into that state. Knowing all about sleep is one stage. this psychologist, is an authority upon sleep. Good. But he is suffering. What is he suffering? He can't sleep. See, he knows all about sleep, but he cannot sleep. See? He has tried all the pills and capsules and all that. No, he can't. But he knows all about sleep. He can advise everybody, but himself cannot sleep. Similarly, you may know all about the higher state of consciousness, but you don't know anything about it. So that it is to reach out and come to live tadmaya, chinmaya, chitumaya. See, become one with it. Awake into that state of consciousness. Ja akhanda vrittya anisham. Day and night, anisham, unbroken. That is all. Akhanda vrittya, unbroken thought. Thought about the nature of the reality, try to maintain in your mind like taila dharavada. Like oil poured from one vessel to another. Because of his viscosity, it is not drop by drop, but it is continuous. Similarly, let that continuous thought be maintained. Call him Atman, Brahman, Rama, Krishna. Call him by whatever name. That is only sound, symbol of what? Of this great reality. Atman, the self. Brahmananda rasam piba. And thus, there in that higher state, get drunk. There is a free drinks available there. What is that? Brahma Ananda Rasa. It's not the ordinary South Indian rasa. Brahmananda rasa, the essence of the bliss of Brahman, the one without a second, where all objects are removed. The subject by itself is ever in a state of bliss. Rasam piba. Atmani muda, in yourself, muda, fully, dead, drunk. As you like, as much you like. Shunirki manir bhrisham. Why are you wasting your time? Shunya, which has no sense.